Welcome children, come we will see the next topic in our first chapter, okay? Teeth and microbes. See, now we are going to see about microbes, okay? What is this microbe? Take your textbook, take page number 183, okay? Microbes. A microbe is the smallest form of living being, okay? Microbes is the smallest form of living being which can be seen only with the help of a microscope. Okay, we can see only through the microscope. There are millions of microbes in air, soil, water and also the food we eat. Okay. Some of them even inside us. They live in the North Pole and as well as in a hot geyser. They will also live in, that means what? They can live in hot place, even also very cold place, that is the meaning of it. Okay. So, microbes can live even in hot and even in also cold places. Okay. They can live in a rock even or in an ocean. Okay. It can live on a rock or in an ocean. They are found everywhere. Some microbes are useful to us while some are harmful. Okay, some are useful, some are harmful. Come we will see about that. What are all these microbes? What are all the? Some see, or we can't able to see all the types of microbes. So many what? There are millions of microbes are there. So come we will see some microbes what we know. Okay. Come we will see about what? First one, bacteria. Bacteria, protozoa, fungus and virus are some types of microbes. Okay. What? Bacteria, protozoa, fungus and virus. Come we will see about bacteria. They are tiny single celled organism. Tiny and single celled. They are found in groups and are of different shapes. Some bacteria cause diseases while some help us fight diseases. So, some bacteria are good and some bacteria are bad. Some bacteria cause disease, some bacteria help to fight disease, help us to fight disease, that means prevent us from diseases. Okay. And they are of different shapes and they are of single celled organism. Okay. Very tiny. Bacteria also help us convert milk into curd. Okay. That means what? Due to this bacteria's action, we can get what? We can convert milk into curd, decompose garbage into manure and also make vitamins in the body. Okay. So, decompose garbage due to these microbes, the garbage we can decompose the garbage, wet garbage and all, no, they are collecting from a home, no. Okay. And they are taking it and due to this after some days, due to this bacteria's action, we can get manure from that wet waste. Okay, wet waste that we know, that you know from your that garbage collectors from your houses, they will come and collect the garbages in the early morning. Yes. Why they are collecting that dry and wet waste? Wet waste, we can make manure from the wet waste. Okay. No need to waste that. Okay. So that we can use that manure for the what? Cultivation purpose and all. Okay. Few bacteria are harmful and cause disease like typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera like that. Okay. But some bacteria is very harmful. They will cause disease like typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera like that. Okay. So, some bacteria are good for us and some bacteria are bad for us. Okay. This is about bacteria. Come we will see about the next microbes, protozoa. What? Protozoa. Protozoa, these are the smallest, these are also smallest single celled animals. Okay. Protozoa, single celled animals. Some of them live inside the bodies of animals and plants and derive food from them. Some live inside the body of animals and plants, okay, and they get the food from their body. Okay. These are called parasites. Okay. What they are called? Parasites. Okay. Sometimes they harm the body they live in. Malaria and dysentery or some disease caused by protozoa. So, what are all the disease caused by protozoa? Malaria and dysentery. What are all the diseases caused by bacteria, typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera and all. Okay. So, what are all the diseases caused by protozoa? Malaria and dysentery. So, where they will live? The protozoa, they will live inside the bodies of animals and plants, and they get the food from their body itself. Okay. And sometimes they will become very hard to them, hard to the water, hard, they will harm to the body. Okay. They will harm the body where they live. These types are called parasites. Why? The parasites live inside the body of the animals and plants, and they get the food from their body, from where they live. That is why it is called parasites. What? Parasites. Okay. Now, we will go to the next page, children. Fungus. Next one is fungus. These microbes look like plants, but do not have chlorophyll. Okay. These microbes looks like a plant, and but it does not have chlorophyll. They depend on dead and decaying plants, okay, and animals for food. These depends on dead and decaying plants and animals for food. Most are not harmful. Fungus are not harmful. In fact, fungus like mushrooms are edible. See, so what is the example for fungus? Mushrooms. Okay, mushrooms and all fungus only. Okay, they get food from the dead and decaying what? The plants. Mushrooms, no? Yes. They will grow on the dead, dry wood and all, no? Yes. Dry grass, dry wood, the mushroom will grow in. It gets the food from that dry, dead and decaying plants, okay. But these mushrooms are not harmful to us, okay. Most of the fungus are not harmful, okay. Yeast is also a type of fungus used in making bread. We are making bread, no? We are using yeast, that is one type of fungus, okay. With the help of, by putting this a little amount yeast, bread, what? We are making bread. In the bakeries and all, they are using yeast to prepare bread, okay. Ringworm and athlete's foot are fungal diseases, okay. What are the fungal diseases? Due to this fungus, some diseases will come. What are they? Ringworm and athlete's foot, okay, athlete's foot. See here, bacteria, protozoa, fungi and virus. Okay. See, these are all the microbes, some types of some microbes. Okay. See, fungi is like plants, no? It look like plants. See, protozoa, it's a small single celled animal. Okay. Understood? Come, we will see about virus. They are the smallest of all microbes. So, virus is the smallest of all microbes. Which is the smallest of all microbes? Virus. They cannot survive on their own. They live and grow inside a living cell of a plant or an animal. Okay? They won't survive on their own. That is why they grow inside a living cell of a plant or animal. They cause diseases like influenza, common cold, chicken pox. Okay. So, here now coronavirus, no, that is also a virus, one type of virus. See, they will live. What will happen? That will come into our body and it will grow inside in us, within us, okay, and it will cause many type of what? Diseases to us. Okay, cold, we will get cold or wheezing like that. What will happen? Breathing problem will come. So many problems it will create nowadays, no. That is why we are wearing mask to avoid that, to get what? Get it spread from one person to us. Okay. So, these are all very dangerous, okay. They cause diseases like common cold, chicken pox, influenza. This what? The coronavirus nowadays, it will cause what? Breathing problem. It will affect the lungs. No? Yes. Some bacteria and fungi are used in making antibiotics. Some bacteria and fungi which help us fight diseases. Okay. Some good bacteria and good fungi help in making antibiotics. Vaccines are dead or weakened microbes injected into the body to produce antibodies. Okay. Antibodies. So, vaccines means what? They are nothing but dead or weakened microbes injected into the body. Okay, it is injected into a body. What will happen? It will what? it will grow inside our body and it will produce antibiotic and it will work as antibodies, okay, so that we can get the diseases. It will fight with the other bad harmful microbes. When it enters to our body, that antibodies will fight with that bad microbes. Okay. Diseases like polio, cholera, typhoid, okay, hepatitis, etc. can be prevented by taking vaccines. So, we can prevent this type of diseases by vaccines. That means, by taking that dead or weakened microbes, okay, by injecting it in your body, into our body. So, that is why for small children, for growing age, if we are they are given with vaccinations, no, you will have vaccination chart, each and every child, you have your own vaccination chart, you have completed that. Go to your home and check, ask your mother or father, mom, give me my vaccination chart, I want to check whether I got all the vaccines done, okay. Ask them and check whether is there anything miss, okay. You got all the vaccines, so that you in your future you won't get this type of diseases, polio, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis. See, if you won't take any vaccine in this age itself, you will get in future while growing, you will get this type of diseases. Why? Because you won't get that antibodies in your body, no. If you won't get vaccinated, you won't get antibodies in your body. So, the microbes will easily affect your body. These microbes, the bad microbes are which cause diseases like polio, cholera, typhoid. So, ask your mom and dad, mom, whether I got proper vaccination or not. Check, take the chart and check whether all the vaccines are over for you, all the vaccines are injected to your body or not by a proper doctor. Okay, understood children? Okay, that is very important. Okay, take care of your health. So, now you know why vaccinations are given to you. Okay, this is about the microbes.